Fancy seeing you here. I'm Leah Davenport with the Davenport Group and Arla Real Estate, in case you didn't already know who I am. And it looks like you guys are at my house. Why are you here? Because we're selling it. It's a 2-bed, 2.5-bath townhome located right here in Falls Church, just outside of Arlington. In fact, I think I could see Arlington from here. But why don't you guys come on in and check it out? So what do you guys think? If you're looking for a move-in ready home, this place was totally renovated and got it in 2018. In 2019, we added a brand new HVAC and updated all of this flooring from carpet. On top of that, we added a fireplace, extra storage, and a custom shiplap wall. Pretty cool if you ask me. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about this property or how you can see it, contact us today and we'd be happy to help.